Hello everyone. Hello. So I am CM Raj. I am in front of you to discuss my daily routine. So let's give you a brief introduction of mine. My name is CM Raj. I am at Comet K-based college in Bangalore right now and second year student uh, in computer science and engineering. My short-term plan is to score good marks in internals, externals. My long-term plan is to build a startup like Tesla, SpaceX, Mahindra and Mahindra like that. My hobby is to read a spiritual books, to play role-playing games, and gardening. So let's start from morning what I did today as a as an engineering student. So today I wake up at 8 o'clock. After that, I go for refreshment. Then I take breakfast. So today's breakfast was lemon rice. I finished, and then I went to college for our daily as my daily routine as usual. So today's first class was LDCO, that is Logic Design and Computer Organization. In that subject, today man was absent, so there was a substitute teacher of DSA, that is you may know data structure and application. So he taught his syllabus like uh, what he discussed. Initially, he discussed some topics related to pointer, dynamic memory allocation, then recursion, uh, and two types of recursion. First one is direct recursion, second one is indirect recursion. And then they had given a question related to was the related to like box. The second question was related to box to arrange uh, in descending order like its size, but we have to replace all of the blocks into another position. And the first question, mm, just a second, the first question, I have to make a note that's not in my mind. First question related to DSA. Was maybe it's related to prime number. Okay, yeah. The first question was to find greatest common divisor, greatest common factor, or yeah, greatest common factor or highest common factor. Yeah, highest common factor or greatest common uh, divisor of two numbers. That was the question. So in that question, like in childhood, we study the same question like highest common factor. So in this question, you have to find whether a particular number is highest common number, highest common multiple, highest common multiple. Yeah, not like that. Highest common multiple, highest common divisor. Like the highest number by which both of the number will be divisible, exactly divisible, not divisible. exactly divisible. So this is the main things related to first question. And in next question, the main topic is not main topic. The main concept, in that question was to exchange, to shift all of the blocks in the same manner, like in descending order, based on its size, into another uh, block, into another place. Like if you have not exactly you have given a spaces for that, uh, you can make you can make what I can say, you can make like a user a spaces by users only. Like if when you have three blocks, then you must have to make two other empty spaces, empty memory allocation for those blocks. And if you have when you have four blocks, then you must have to make three empty memory allocation. And while doing this type of problem, there was a terms and condition. Like the first condition was you can only move one block at a time, and the second condition was you can only arrange those blocks in ascending order. You can't uh, arrange it in descending order. That was the terms and condition for those questions. So the main question arises while doing this type of question. Uh, that is, you have to check or you have to find the number of steps involved in this type of problem. Okay. Then while I was doing, I made a step like when you have three blocks, then it will be arranging like at first two, one, one, then again two. Okay, not like that. There was seven types of arrangement. Two, one, one, again two, last one with two. Okay, two, one, one, and then last one is two. So in middle one arrangement, and yeah, in middle one arrangement, and middle one arrangement, and for initial and last, it's a it's like if you have four blocks, then the next preceding number is uh, less than one. Like if you have four, then the next preceding step is three, then three, two, one, like that. Three, two, one, and then again two, three, like that. So when you choose four blocks, they're told to check how many total steps you have to do while doing this uh, block arrangement. So four, then three, then two, three. Yeah, three, two, one, and then again two, three. Oh, that's one. So these are the concept discussed. In class, I thought it is necessary to uh, revise some questions related to pointer and some questions related to DMA, dynamic memory allocation. Yeah, these are the topic discussed. The last question, was done, and then after that class is over. And the next class was of Git and GitHub. Git is like a software which is related to version control and like program management. And GitHub is a website or app. So in that subject, he discussed first topic was creating SSH. Then creating SSH. While creating, there are some steps. Those steps are what was the steps? Steps was like when you uh, when you are doing any program, editing some program in VS Code or yeah, in VS Code, then you have to add your code. Okay, so in the topic, at first creating um, SSH link, then using that link um, and what I can say, like linking with repository which was created in GitHub and creating, then linking, and then pushing those files into um, Git repository. It's all about that. Then class is over. After that, there was a 15-minute of tea break. It's finished. After that, we went uh, to HRD lab. And at lab, we are there to uh, what I can say, to execute all those codes to create SSH link and create link while using those link it to VS Code file or program, and then pushing files to my personal or public repository. But I did some DSA work in that lab because of our in Viva in upcoming days. It's it's done. After that, there was a lunch break for 45 minutes. I came to PG. I take lunch. So today's lunch was what I can say in English. It's rice and aloo ka sabji and rice. That's in English. It's finished, and then it's time for our class. So I reached to college. Next classes for DSA. It's as I told earlier, our first class was for LDCO, but taken by DSA teacher. So while after lunch, the classes was for DSA. So we thought कि maybe they suffered or exchanged their classes for as their convenient, but they didn't. DSA teacher came and in class after lunch, what he discussed. What did he discuss after lunch? What was it discussed? Maybe those problems. Two pro Maybe those two problems. Like to find GCD and uh, shifting of that blocks into another position. Just 1 second. Fifth hour. It's done. And then the next 2 hour for DMGT lab. It's a discrete mathematics and graph theory lab. It's not like electronic subject. It's a math subject, but it's depend on logic gates. In in today's DMGT lab, uh, ma'am told to revise all those problems because all done for your first test. So revise all those problems by your own and submit your record book to check. I did nothing. What I was doing, what I was doing in that class for 2 hours, for half an hour, just nothing. But what I did, just scrolling. Yeah, just scrolling computer desktop to connect for Wi-Fi, to open Solid Edge, not Solid Edge. That was a that was a topic related to first semester subject Solid Edge. It's like um, Edge browser and nothing. After that, what I did for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Mm, okay, yeah, I completed my record book. And anything? Okay, actually 1 hour and 30 minutes. It's 1 hour only. And anything else? Yeah, I was checking up DSA program, revise or to memorize or to understand the concept used in that question. And then after that, class is over. I reached to my PG. I reached to PG, not mine. I reached to PG. I did two question, first two question, first two DSA question in a correct way and stored in VS Code. And then actually, I taken a challenge for to complete it within 20 minutes, but it's not did in 20 minutes. And it was also not did in 40 minutes also. It was not did in 40 minutes also. And the thing did totally different. Those questions was not running. So I changed my mind and program in another way. So after all, those two did in 40 minutes. It's finished. I take rest for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Then for a half an hour, uh, I was just scrolling for SIP. Then I went to take dinner. So today's dinner was chapati and moong dal and masoor dal also. It's finished. After that, I came to room, kept my plates and water bottles, and then went for a walk. After some time, I came in room and that time I reached to discuss my daily routine. So it's all about my daily routine. Uh, what is the engineer's life? What they did. So bye bye.